Hopping in the car. Got my coffee from my favorite coffee shop. And I am ready to hit the road. Dallas Market, here we come. Hi guys, I'm Leah.
And I'm Tarah.
And welcome to Design Buzz.
We are here at Dallas Market in Dallas, Texas.
We are gonna cover all of the hottest trends that's going on in home decor, in lighting, in rugs. And you know what? We're gonna have a lot of fun because everything is bigger in Texas.
Come on, let's go check it out.
Look, there's like diamonds on these glasses.
Oh my
Do you see this?
Yes.
I really want to show you one of my very favorite lighting companies, Currey Co.
Okay, Currey Co. I've heard of them. They're gorgeous. I can't wait to see them.
You're gonna freak out. They are just so cutting edge when it comes to design and textures. Like, look at this.
Wow. We are here with the Vice President and Creative Director of Currey Company, Cecil Adams. We're so excited.
We're so excited.
Oh, thank you. I'm excited to have you guys here.
And one thing I love about Currey Co. is you literally have something for everyone. You seem to cover every
absolutely.
style, you know, every genre. It doesn't matter, you know, if you're into farmhouse or you're into modern or minimalist, you know, you guys really do cover it all. You guys do a great job with that.
We really do try to have a broad selection, and we listen to designers. And Mr. Currey, you know, we founded the company 30 years ago. One of the favorite things that he loved to do was chat with designers and just hear what they had to say. And being in Atlanta, of course, you know, there's a lot of decorating that goes on in that town, so we learned a lot. And so that's in our DNA, to have those conversations and just kind of keep that going down the road.
You guys also have a lot of black and white. It seems to be kind of like a staple of your company and the line. I mean, how are you guys making that feel fresh and modern and new for this season?
Well, I think everyone's inundated with this whole idea of a modern farmhouse, a modern lodge. I also think that gray, you know, what makes gray? Black and white. So we split the gray up and the black and white, huge trend in fashion always. And I think that people are really relating to it in kitchen and bath. And it's really gone into kind of the whole house. We believe that we're, you know, for us, for Currey in particular, we're going to marry some old and new ideas in terms of lighting. And I think that everyone has kind of gotten obsessed with light bulbs and LED and how it all works. It definitely makes a huge difference in interiors and how you're using all this stuff in your home. But we think that people are still going to want a statement piece. They're still going to want something warm. They're still going to want something handmade. For us, it's like innovation, but classics. And how are we going to bring those things together?
Well, I feel like we've learned a lot.
Already.
And we have certainly enjoyed chatting with you today.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Cecil.
This is the perfect example of this Callista blue.
Yes.
That is the Pantone color of the year. And I love the way they're using it. It's in this scalloped little settee. Let me tell you, this is not your granny's vintage anymore, okay? Look at this lamp. I'm obsessed with this. It's kind of giving me like 80s vibes. It's really fun. I mean, it's the natural stone, which I absolutely love. You still have that black and white kind of color palette that is so clean and so chic right now. It feels kind of 80s.
Yeah.
But let me tell you, it's back.
It's back.
And to me,
The
this
80s
feels,
are back.
it's back and it feels fresh.
Wow, that was so fun.
I know, they are amazing. But you know what? We have a huge market to see, so let's go check it out.
Let's go. One-of-a-kind rugs.
Oh, yeah.
My gosh.
We gotta check this out.
Let's check it out.
All right, so I am immediately drawn to these. I love the natural textures and fibers that they use. They're all handmade. They're all one of a kind.
Wow.
These are amazing. Each one completely different than the next. Some good stuff today.
I know. Okay. We have to go get ready for the arts event.
We do. We have a lot of glam to do.
We have glam to do, so let's do it now.
Okay, let's go. You look great.
You
Let's
look great
go.
too. Let's do it. We are here at the 31st Annual Arts Awards hosted by Carson, Kressley, and Thom, Filicia.
It is basically like the Oscars of interior design. They are giving out awards for best lighting, best designer, best rugs, you name it. It's going down tonight and we would not miss it.
We're so excited. I mean, don't we look nice?
We're ready to party.
Should we get going?
Yes!
We are with Carson Kressley and Thom Filicia, of whom you know, who are hosting the 31st Annual Arts Awards.
Co-hosting.
Yes,
We're co-hosting.
Yeah, this is kind of like the Oscars or the Golden Globes.
For
or
design.
For design.
Yeah.
So like retail stores,
yeah.
interior designers, product designers.
And what are you most excited about for tonight?
I'm most excited.
I love
about-
cocktail hour.
Cocktail hour is great.
That's always fun.
I'm excited about us not totally screwing it up.
You guys look incredible.
I know.
I just decided to do sequins because
You and me, honey, you and me.
And we have to talk about the fact that Couched aired recently.
Just launched yesterday.
Yeah.
I'm streaming as we speak.
Yes,
If you like interior design,
And you like crazy, funny, hilarious.
we have both.
Yeah, just
Well,
for
you guys
color.
are amazing. Thank you for chatting
Okay.
with us.
Okay.
Get excited. We'll see you soon.
Good luck.
Love
Break
you
a
guys.
leg. Break a leg.
Hi, everyone.
Hi, Dallas.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hello, hello. Hi, everyone.
Oh my gosh,
God.
look at all the people.
It's an unbelievable experience. It's an exciting group of people. You can tell everyone is very talented. And I am so happy and humbled to be here and to win this wonderful award.
It's one of the most exciting things in this industry. I mean, it's something you remember forever. It really is rewarding to the whole team.
The recognition, especially on the part of our customers and peers, is really important to us. And it's really gratifying that people can see and appreciate what we're doing.
It's such an honor, and I know my team is so excited and rooting for us.
After being in the industry for 20 years, this is a really incredible honor.
Now it's time to see one of our favorite designers here in Texas.
We are here. We are getting ready to meet with Janelle Patton from Larkin Tears, and I am so excited because I love her style.
I love her style too.
Let's do it. Hey guys!
Hi! We are so excited to be here. Wow, look at this space. Holy cow.
Janelle is known for creating beautiful yet functional interiors.
We've seen a lot of interiors, but every time we come into a new interior designer space, everybody has such different taste and different style.
Absolutely.
And we get so excited to see, what they do with the skill set that they have, and your space is absolutely gorgeous.
This is where we spend a lot of family time, and this is our Lego building board game playing table. We never actually eat in here. So this is our family room. This is kind of where, like, if we host a book club or have people over for game night, we're in here, which I love that this sectional provides so much seating. Yes. These shelves back here are where I keep my vintage hoard. So in the cabinets underneath, it's actually full of decorative accessories that I've picked up, and I just kind of swap them out based on what I want to look at right now.
I love that. That's amazing.
Can we see upstairs?
Of course.
We'd love to. Lead the way. We'll follow you.
The kids' room.
Yes. So this is my 12-year-old son's room, and I always feel like with boys, and especially kind of tween teenagers, it's really hard to find a balance of like whimsical, childlike, and grown up, because they're neither, right? So I tried to hit both notes in here. So the direction I got from my daughters who share this room is hot pink, which I feel like can be kind of hard, which is why I went with the ceiling on this one.
This is such a great idea.
We added the crown molding to create a separation between the wallpaper and the wall.
Oh, that's smart.
And it helped a lot.
Yeah.
Janelle, how did you get into interior design?
I lived in New York City for years, and we moved here 7 years ago and bought our first house, and it just kind of like sparked a love in me. I'm like, I want to create a place where I'm going to raise my family that's going to be warm and friendly and someplace that I really enjoy being. Started posting it on Instagram, and one thing led to another. I started my business 3 years ago, and it's just blown up, and I've really enjoyed it.
What was the biggest challenge that you maybe faced trying to break into this?
I think confidence in myself. Like there was a lot of, like do this bathroom renovation. Let me get on Google. Like how
Let me
tall
Pinterest,
just
right?
Google it. How tall are countertops? How, you know what I mean? I'm a super capable person. I'm a quick learner, and I love to learn. I mean, I pick every contractor's brain, every plumber that comes through my house.
Okay, do you have a trend that you're like happy to see go and get rid of?
We were talking about this a little bit earlier, but gray.
Oh yeah,
Gray is out.
If
Take
you-
notes, everyone.
Please. If you walk around my home, it's all color. I love that. I think we've had a lot of neutral and farmhouse lately, and I'm really looking forward to like more color.
When it comes to the Dallas style, what is it?
Faux Tuscan, I think would be the right word.
Yes.
Like overstuffed leather sofas and a lot of really intricate wrought iron work.
Granite countertops.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And so that's what I feel like people are slowly starting to turn over, which makes me so excited.
And because we're in Dallas, I had to take them to go get some barbecue.
I'm not really sure.
All right, are we getting into this?
Oh my God. Next stop, happy hour with the girls. Hi guys. Long time no see. So obviously we can't have happy hour without a little champagne.
Yes.
So I'm gonna open this bad boy. We're gonna hope it's good.
Okay, so I'm from Texas. I live down in Austin. Y'all are here in Dallas, and I have been trying to explain Texas and Dallas design. So, what would you guys say, you know, is really like true Texan when it comes to interior design?
Interesting thing about Texas is that everybody's moving here. And
Yes.
so like,
From all
I'm not
over.
from Texas, you're not from Texas, but like we both have made this our home, and I find that with my clients too.
Where are some other really great places that you guys like to find inspiration from?
I love getting new design books all the time. I love going to antique stores and flea markets and just kind of seeing what's vintage and being passed down. And
I love so many different styles of
Yeah.
design.
Yeah.
Like someone's like, well, what's your favorite? Like, I don't have a favorite. If it's well executed, I'm a fan.
I totally agree. My first client was a coworker of my husband from his law firm, and I remember going and interviewing with them, and my rate was like ridiculously low, and getting in the car and shutting the door and being like, yes, like I got a client.
Yeah.
And that was such a good feeling. And then it snowballs from there.
your Instagram and all these other accounts, they're like online portfolios. Where before,
It's true.
it was just like, oh, well, I heard she did a great bathroom.
Right.
And if you call her, then you might see a picture of it. This now, people are tagging, sending, all that. It's much easier to build a business these days. I think quicker.
You do one, you do two, and then you're like, oh, I got this.
Yeah.
I got this. You kind of work out the kinks.
Yeah.
There's all this inspirational content out there that has helped people feel that confidence and just take a leap and close your eyes and jump. But when we can all sit down here and talk about things, and you guys have similar stories and backgrounds and stuff. And I think that's awesome.
Dallas has it all. Great barbecue, incredible brands, but most of all, innovative design. Make sure to join us next time on Design Buzz to see what city we explore next.
As we wait for the elevator.
Oh, I was looking at you and you're looking that way. Okay. We don't know whose birthday it is. And we are here. And
Oh my God.